Welcome to Howuku. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to install the tracking code for Howuku in Wix. First, you need to have a Howuku account and a Wix account. Then, navigate to the Howuku dashboard to get the unique tracking code that you'll need to install on your Wix site. Next, log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard and click on the Settings tab. Then, search for Advanced and click on Custom Code. In the Custom Code section, click on the Add Custom Code button. Choose Custom as the tool type and name it Howuku. In the Code Snippet field, paste the tracking code you obtained from the Howuku dashboard. Make sure to save your changes before closing the editor. After you've installed the tracking code, you need to verify that it's working correctly. Navigate back to the Howuku dashboard and verify the Wix installation.
When you see the celebration animation, it indicates that the tracking code has been installed correctly. Now you can start improving your website's conversion rate.
Thank you for watching our video. Try it out for yourself today to accelerate your conversions with Howuku, the all-in-one CRO suite.